everyone. Ito ang aking dalawang iha, bonita. Punta kami sa kanilang lolo. Happy Father's Day pala sa lahat ng mga father. So ito yung area ng aming area ngayon. Lakad kami papunta ng Sakahan. Sa Bisaya pa, Basakan. So may dala ako. Surprise sa aking father. Happy Father's Day kay Papa. At ako rin na surprise. Hindi ko nakuha ng video. Hindi ko alam eh. Surprise lang ako kanina. Ito yung dala ko. Cake tsaka yung halong juice na lang. I'm going to vlog. I do vlog. I'm doing vlog. Ikot. Tingin, anong pinagagawa nyo dyan? Ayan, gawa naman sila ng video. One, two, three. Kunwari hindi na Amor ato.
Salamin. Kalat ako mo.
Malapit nang lumipad ang kanyang buhok. Kasi walang supply, walang tali.
Supply ko.
Ito yung galingan. Galingan ng palay sa kooperatiba. Palayan green na green.
Tita, nakatilid doon sa matupa. We're gonna go to Lola's house.
3 minutes.
We're gonna surprise him. Hey, happy Father's Day cake.
Pati ako na surprise. Isa si edit ni man. Yan ang irrigation dito, lakas ng tubig. Kaya dito kasi irrigated ang mga sakahan. So malapit na po kami. At umusok na yung kusina. Umusok na yung kusina ni Papa. Ayan na si Papa. Ayan, irrigation.
What are you doing, Lola?
Oh. Ate, ikaw na.
Happy Father's Day, Lo!
Happy Father's Day pa. Ha? Imo. Father's Day.
Father's Day! Lolo.
Happy Lolo Day. Oh, bless.
Nanay, lungmig, kontra imo, ano ito?
Diyos daw, kay dili ko nung kapay mo
Yusra,
nila
ay. Bawal manggod kay man lungnik si Lolo. Lungnik na sab. Nanay.
Yari, imo.
Wow.
Happy Father's Day.
Sa kanay, Lo, sa kanay. Buga, manay si Lolo.
Ako na pa. Ako na magkuhan.
Ay.
Para pa.
Nag-weld. Saka, Lo.
Ako pa. Nanay kick.
Ay, nay, naunsa na. Basta ka nito. Nagbubuka.
Tawag ka ako.
Ala, nawagin na yung kiklo. Na-broken naman ni Pag. Isa naman ni mo ni Pag.
Oh.
Nagpaano na ito kung gano'n ka na. I-open natin yung cake. Lamiro. Hello. Marshall cake.
Natin na kitata ang juice.
Alo, ulo, kay gana man ni sa heart. Oh, na-broken na yung cake, no? Dapat picture lang sila. Picture, lo. Picture.
Di, sarapin.
Ay, lang naman natin.
Sure.
Wala, naunsa na yung cake, no?
Yung sasagay mo.
Ate.
Yeah, may birthday. For my Father's Day, man to.
Dali, kay pasa natin kanina.
Isa ka na kamo. Ay, sige. Picture. Smile. Oh, isa pa, isa pa. Smile. Picture to be. Isa pa.
Dali, dali.
Likod ko ni Papa. Para likod ko ni Lolo.
Oh, sige.
Smile. Isa pa. So, okay na.
Ako silbi. Ano ako cellphone?
Dare. Dare, manggod.
Ay, send lang di mo dito. Ah, napamandi ay. Ay, panibago, ikaduhan na ni. Ayan ang kay Papa karon. Happy Father's Day. Si Tata tawon to ara.
Dapat tag. We're going home, guys. We came from unsa man na basta
Came from Lolo.
basta gikan mi ila Lulu.
From Grandpa.
Dili ito na mo. Basta lain ka.
Oh no,
It's very wrong.
it's very wrong. Oh, ikaw Bi, anong ibig sabihin? Anong pasabot? Dili mao. Sige, correct.
We are walking from Lolo's house.
Lolo's house.
Yes.
From
We
Lolo's
came from
house.
Kala mo lang magkana. We came from his friends. Mulang mana.
Oh, kung gikan ka sa kuan. Kung gikan ka sa lain lugar. Sa wewe. Kung gikan ka sa lain lugar kay King ka.
Now, we're gonna have a lunch. A rocket lunch. In space.
What is the means?
Milk. Milk is like when you absorb the food.
Absorb the food. How can you absorb the food? How can you
Do you know
improve
why
the
we are
food?
going to the shortcut? Because my hair is long and we're gonna
Hair
go
is long.
shortcut.
Long hair.
Yes.
We gotta walk around.
We are walking because we have no vehicles.
Yeah.
Motorcycle.
Because now we have now we are poor.
Raptors. We don't have
We
that.
are not rich.
But we have feet. Feet. Do you know what's feet?
That's why pit. I don't know what is pit or pit.
Feet is like when your clothes are 2 feet. That's feet.
Not that's not like pitch like dog or what is spilled by pit.
Feet. That is your dog, Pete.
Yeah, I know. I'm the dog.
Pet.
And you're the
That's not Pete.
daughter of the
That's
dog.
Pet. Oh my God.
both of you are a daughter of the dog or daughter of the monkey.
You are so. Oh my God. I said it's Pete, not Pet.
Not pit. Yes. That's why I told you. Pit. Your pit or pitch.
12 Pet.
12 pit. Ano, height?
pig's pet.
How about your friend? What's she doing?
She's doing like kutlo da. Da kutlo da.
Kutlo the vegetable. That's your meal for the lunch. Ikaw English.
Bye guys. We're gonna labay.
We gonna labay lang muna. Ma'am, labay lang kami.
Ano pa kay gutom na?
Oh, now she's hungry. He said.
I am from Hungary.
Hungry.
I'm hungry always. Di ba nag-ihilaw pa lagi sa Hilaw pa oh.
So, ano? Yan? Tilawi, ang puno.
Dila, tukuan. Wala to miyam.
Miyam?
Yes. You don't know what is miyam? Oh my god.
I don't know what's by miyam.
Ito ba sa suba pa na mahinog color violet?
Okay.
Di ba miyam din? Miyam.
The sister of Meow Meow.
Miyam. Good. Ano yung oras?
Nagsaing na yun.
Already 11:14. But we are still here walking. Our feet. Dog.
What do you do then? Do that.
We're gonna baby shark.
That sa cellphone. What you doing? That.
What you do?
Baby shark. Durut.
Baby shark. Turut.
We are here now in the Philippines.
You're already in the Philippines.
We are now here in the Philippines. We are approaching the Mindanao.
Mindanao, area Mindanao.
Yes, we are already here in the Mindanao and we are going back to the Luzon. Yes.
Give me the specification. Where did you located in Mindanao? Specified. You specified the location.
The specificity of longevity of
The gravity of.
the gravity.
Now we have our
What are you seeing?
our guest now. Guest, nanay.
Sa lolo.
Ikan mi kay Papa.
Mga diyaga.
Laag kay lolo.
Engineer. Happy Father's Day. Kay Father naman sag ko. Amin sag ko. Sige, ingat. Kani,
That's our
mga,
house.
hindi ni sila kuha na dili na mahirap na tao. This is not poor. Di mahirap lang yan bahay na yan. Pero yung mga nandyan, mayaman lang. Pero dito mahirap lang. Isang kotse lang naman. Edit mo to na ka.
No, I will not edit that.
Edit that. Why you running?
Dagan pa, dagan.
Mahulog. Nagpinto sila? Nagpinto sila? Agoy! Agoy! Tarunga!
Aloha. It's
Okay, this is the end. I'm here already in my house with my third daughter, my beautiful daughter here.
But I'm only one.
Now she's tired already because there's too much hit. Hit.
I hit.
Ha? Eh, yung may-ari nga ng cake, hindi pa gustong kainin eh. Kumain ka na, kuya? Gwapo lagi ko din oh.
Wow.
Gamis, hindi? Gwapo lagi ko din Cute. Sabay ganon. Uy, gwapa lagi ng nadiha. Uy. Okay, para hanggang dito na lang ako. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunod. Don't forget to like and share sa aking personal vlog sa aking family. So, bye-bye!
Saan